Hello children, in this video I'll tell some words where T sounds as sh. For example, invention, invention. In some words, the letter S is also said with sh sound. So listen and repeat. First word is pension, option, conscious, portion and solution. In next exercise, I'll speak some words where S and T are used as sh. Listen to them and fill in the blanks in your books. First word is vision. S is used as sh. Second, caution. Here T is used as sh. Third, tension. Here S gives sh sound. Junction. Here T gives sh sound. Action. In this word also T gives sh sound. And last word is section. T gives sh sound. In next exercise, I am going to read some sentences. Read them carefully and say aloud. In first sentence, spelling of quiet is given. This is wrong and the correct word is quiet, Q-U-I-E-T. First sentence, be quiet and have patience. Second, the more fashion changes, the more it stays the same. Their soldiers get a fat pension. Next, we didn't get permission to attend the function. Next is, in this session, they will announce the promotions. Next, I have no notion about the submission of our project work. Next, the mission is a cause of worry and tension. Next, the patient's lesion has not healed. And the last sentence is, the position of the image cannot be changed. Read them carefully and say aloud. Thank you.